What's up, guys? I'm Jordy. I'm here gonna pick up a load in Houston, some metal or something, and today I got a guest with me.
Yo, what's up?
What should they know you as? Johnny, Theo Fluffy, you got so many names.
Johnny, but if you play PS4, Theo Fluffy.
There you go, that's the
Yep.
plug. Alright.
Nope.
I'm 23, my buddy here is,
21.
we're cousins, our dads are brothers, and he might be interested into maybe getting into the industry, yes or no?
Yes.
Why?
Because I like driving and I like the experience of being on the road.
That is a great answer. Did not expect that, found it. But yeah, we're about to go. We're gonna about to pick up some metal. It weighs about 18K, 18,000 pounds. It's about 30 feet, and we need to tarp it. So I thought I'd call my cousin, ask him to tag along, help me out, do some work, and we'll see how it goes. See you when we get there.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, so Theo Fluffy, Johnny. Okay, how long do you think we've been sitting here waiting? Roughly.
Since like 2:30, about an hour.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I remember when I was inside, I filled out the paperwork. It said, because they went military time, so it was 14:22. So that's two. Yeah, it's been about an hour. Jeez.
Exactly an hour.
Yeah, exactly an hour. We've been waiting for about an hour and
Nada.
nothing. I mean, we just got to sit here and wait.
There's people cutting us.
But they work for the company though, or they're brokered, or the company works for them, so they got priority. We're just here to get the scraps or whatever, but just gotta wait.
So
We'll see what time they finish loading. All right, so after waiting about an hour, it's 3:14. What time is it? What time we've been here? Since 2? We've been here for about 2-3 hours. All right, we finally got loaded. Got a bunch of stuff. When I first got here, they told me it's gonna be 35 feet, but then they added like another 5 feet, so now it's 40. So now we got a strap and then tarp, and then we're good to go. Catch you in a minute. All right, so we just finished tarping and strapping the load. What's your input on it, John?
man, we was there for a long time.
What time we get there? 14:22, so that's what, 2:22? Right now it's 5:15, so about a good 3 hours. 2 hours of waiting.
We waited for like an hour and a half, loaded for like about 45 minutes, and then we started.
Strapping and tarping
the
for about
tarp,
another
bro.
45 minutes.
The
But,
tarp took probably the longest.
and now here's the thing though. I told him my tarp wasn't 40 feet, and I called the dude, I told him they put me extra pallets. He said, it don't matter, tarp it the best way you can and just take it. So, what can you do about it? We tarped it the best we could. It shouldn't get wet. I doubt it'll rain, but we're good, so. Hello, guys, what's up?
Can't move. She's happy.